Well, welcome to the Cooking Corner here in the Air Comfort Solutions kitchen. We're happy to welcome back Casey Finau with the Panera for showing us how to do a barbecue chicken ranch mac and cheese. That's a lot going into one bowl right there.
Yes, it is, but it is very tasty and it's perfect for fall because this can be used as your main entree with dinner, or it could even be a side option. Okay. So let's get into it.
See how it's done.
So we offer our amazing mac and cheese in a 16-ounce container at any local grocery store. So I have a 1/4 cup of ranch. I'm kind of a ranch snob. I prefer my Hidden Valley ranch. So I've got that in the bowl.
Ranch goes good with everything, I think.
It does. Panera also has a really good ranch dressing. So we are adding 16 ounces of this mac and cheese.
Okay.
And then we are going to add some chicken. So this is going to be a grilled chicken that's been thinly sliced. You could also use rotisserie chicken. You can slice it, you can pull it. Doesn't matter as long as you've got a protein in there. So we are going to mix this up really quick. I'd like to add, this is also a barbecue ranch. I like to elevate the flavor just a little bit, but you could use an original ranch. And then we are going to go straight into these little 8-ounce ramekins.
We'll make this for the kids in no time after school, for dinner.
Sorry, I'm making a little bit of a mess.
It's all good.
So we went right into those ramekins. We're going to top it with a little bit of additional barbecue sauce, just right over the top, about 2 teaspoons. And then we are going to bake these in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. I did do the full 20 minutes just because I like mine to get bubbly and hot. So that is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. So the barbecue sauce caramelizes a little bit. Okay. I, again, like to add just a little bit more.
You can't go wrong with a little bit more.
Oh, yeah.
And how are we topping it?
We're simply topping it with some French fried onions. There is also a French fried jalapeno available right now that would be a wonderful substitution. So I'm going to go in with about 2 tablespoons right on top. And then we are going to use some green onions. You can omit the green onions if your family maybe isn't a fan of green onions. I prefer them. My children love them. So as many or little as you would like. And that is about it.
You don't have to use the barbecue ranch. I mean, you could literally use whatever. You
could literally use any ranch. And if you honestly wanted to, you could leave the ranch dressing out. You could just do chicken mac and cheese topped with barbecue and some crunchy topping of your choice.
But what fun is that?
I know. You know, there's some plain Janes out there, but I prefer the barbecue sauce.
The ranch makes it extra creamier.
Yes, it does.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Casey. We appreciate you being here. You can check out many more recipes just like this one. Just go to our website at newson6.com/recipes. Look at that right there.